Another video. You dig what I'm saying? Y'all wanna know what we doing? Y'all ever had this? That's from Jeremy, the guy at the Lowe's that I work for. Y'all can open them. When y'all go to Lowe's, tell you Wonka bar.
So don't eat it, Jack.
It smells good. I ain't gonna lie.
These are rough tongues. Okay.
So how we gonna do this, chat? Everybody get a bar.
What is Lowe's? It's real gold. Don't eat it.
It smells good, chat. No cap. No way.
A little bit of Hershey and grass.
Hershey and grass. He said Hershey and grass. That's what it do smell like. Y'all ready to eat it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we're about to eat it. 3, 2, 1.
I'm scared. So, it's a what? I need a big bite. Okay, the first one was nice. It's just like. It's not that good.
What's it? No.
It tastes off.
But not as good.
Huh?
It's good, but like don't fit with my taste buds.
What it taste like?
I don't even know. Regular old chocolate. 10 out of 10, chat. 8 out of 10.
5.5.
10 out of 10. I want more.
What do you
of that.
give it?
I want more of that, chat.
What?
Send it.